Agyin Asare.
I will listen to Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, Dr. Menson Tabel, but Agyin Asare, he's not my enemy.
Why won't you listen to
Because his preaching that doesn't touch me.
But you're a man of God. You are touched already. I mean, you should also.
Oh, but if I want to be revived, not from Bishop Agyin Asare, then I will be very happy to listen to Bobo Kala.
But this is a very serious statement.
Oh, yes.
Owusu mo akwaba e de ba too much use me so say dey can only media share subscribe match on the way na me adoma no so na be ya upload bi e bia onsa ebetimi aka na Owusu ase na Bible ka say emre no ebekọ awie ya aman be sorry aman so ahene be sorry ahene so emma awofo asodemfo meba ni nyina eye science a etwe say ewiase no awie ye na eba no na ene audio bi anase video bi a mensa kane asem bi a Reverend Owusu Bempah akwakoka no eno ene bi mo kire say we dey say ahene na sorry ahene so nyame ahene na ekutie wo ho say ensem ni nyina ene say Reverend Owusu Bempah any Yebra Penny Bolare eko grantee interview was Star FM so na interview nim na yenim se Ghana had a Christian nation to asofo de ebi wo Ghana ha yie pa ne wo bo asofo mpenifo pa din wo Ghana ha be ye 10 a untimi mo enyi Reverend Anasis of Penny Agyin Asare efa no emfim Agyin Asare so e kan asofo kuda wo Ghana ha no kwasem no se omokasa eko animu yie pa na enkomotwe no ekoso e wo Bolare ene Reverend Owusu Bempah entem no na Bolare ekwa bisa Reverend Owusu Bempah se sen ena ne nwa Agyin Asare osi hu ne fa asem a Owusu Bempah kan de busua aje se wankasa wodi wani ne waso ekokohwe me kai wo se too much age ena no bisu a wohwe buso yenko nyenko tie se na Bolare bisa Reverend Owusu Bempah ene ensem o wankasa e kan e de fa ne nwa sofo Agyin Asare.
Agyin Asare. I will never listen to.
Yes.
Agyin Asare.
I will listen to Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, Dr. Menson Tabel, but Agyin Asare, he's not my enemy.
Why won't you listen to
Because his preaching that doesn't touch me.
But you're a man of God. You are touched already. I mean, you should also.
Oh, but if I want to be revived, not from Bishop Agyin Asare, then I will be very happy to listen to Bobo Kala.
But this is a very serious statement.
Oh, yes. Because I can be.
No, Bishop Agyin Asare is a revered man of God.
I mean, yes, I know that.
Yes, so why is that you listen to Bobo Kala rather than. No, I take a strong exception to that.
Many people will talk against me because of this issue.
Yes.
Do you remember that any prophetic word that God spoke to me and I come out to say it, that man of God will come.
That is why you are going against him. But he's a man of God. He's also expressing his opinion.
I'm a man of God.
So why you compare him to Bobo Kala and say you rather listen to?
Anytime Lucifer draws sword, Michael will also appear. It's a problem. You can go and think about it. You can read Proverbs chapter 26, verse 4 and 5. My answer.
Is he a man of God?
I don't know. Reverend Istu Anaba, he's man of God. I know. But as for Agyin Asare, I don't know. Because
where's your church?
Because what I read,
yes,
you said, or the one
that is it, yes.
Said that if I want to be revived or to be happy, and I mentioned,
but to compare him to Bob Okala, he does comedy, and clearly to put them on that same pedestal, I totally disagree.
Sir, I'm running to about your friends. I'm running them hosts.
I want to compare him to.
I will listen to Lewin because as for Lewin and Kwakumelu, I will just laugh and laugh and laugh. So I will be relieved. But Agyin Asare's preaching, it will damp my spirit down.
He's a man of God.
Oh, not.
No, I take strong exception to that. But anyway.
Oh, yeah, sure. Because there are some men of God here in Ghana, they are hypocrites. So me, I just don't want to go there. But no, but
and I'm gonna say, oh, you're a man of God. So why don't you extend love? Say you crowd be your bonibia now. I am from so and now I'm this is too strong for you to go out there and castigate and we don't endorse that. I know, but Clearly, are you that hurt too?
No, so say the mama my happy. But what color no mommy happy pa? And commander so mommy happy. And to me, say it's preaching we me prayer worship, na me exercise we. Na me tie me preaching we are. Maybe I meet powerful preaching, bits of TD Jakes, and na me okay. Then me person energy. Now I be feeling lonely. Now me tie Dr. Nelson Tabel.
Do you regret not being a footballer?
No.
Not at all. You don't miss that. As we wrap up, what is your biggest regret in life?
Everything the Bible says I have to give thanks to God. So,
no regrets in life?
No.
You reach out and
we are together.
But we'll leave it there.
Oh, so who me are
yes. Yes.
Oh, please, my microphone getting me wrong.
Yeah, so we want to denounce or dissociate ourselves, you know.
Me need any problem, but the ministry, move me. Miss me ministry, be a move on. On a Kabusa answer question, every clank one answer. And that's why answer will become a chain. Because of your Tunisian puppet in Casa.
That's it.
Bible said, or door ekatan from so home mabano so it be any or don't take us for penny dear. Senkawunia ayo boniana unia can simple. Nanka when near young one, you wouldn't so for dear Nakafe, Senkabe from your Abacon and Channel Catas, but somehow can ye dear. Many annual, no one or door and ned name Momodia show mu. Now it's me Casa Sega the houses of penny, Adinasari and Nakasa Ube in Commode, and I sell Lewin over Adinasari and not even some. One can say na mu asofu mu ntampo na montamu anwi na ya edi mochi de na ya de den na ya nso ye be we no so bi so kire say ewiase be bi odwan pe na odi ne fufuo po the fact so mu nyina eya asofo no kire say e wo se chinchin achia ogine nwa no atum e biara ne oye no no ne so se ne o kan no ohun ne se oye sofo bi so kra na so peni dan kan William so kra e ohun ne se ono so eye sofo eno nti no ne odwan pe odi ne fufuo bo nti se ohun ne se oye sofo a ono mu ntimi enhye no sekete ya onye ne ntum se oye sofo to ono no de onye sofo ne mom se nyame bi na afre ne de a Owusu beba kire se onimwe no mo no eye consensus ne commenter video e ba bonti a raise afa ho be di se won so eye won ho adwuru yie pa se what se say na sofo pini ka fa na nyonko sofo ma ye hu e wo comment e wo ensemi any video ya me de ababasu we wie ne sa na we subscribe button no so e de amamna notification bell no so aka ho se na be ya upload bi e bia onsa ebetimi aka busu akọ Facebook so e too much je ho so ya na like no wa share dem makra